All right, welcome back on my Legend in Trades Entrepreneurs. If you guys are new to this channel, what I'm doing with this channel is showing you guys my journey from $0 to $100,000 in profit. But in today's video, I'll be showing you guys the mindset of how to flip a $100 account, why it matters, more about the psychology and your reason behind why you want to flip it more than actually the strategy itself. So if you guys are new to this channel, hit that subscribe to follow my journey. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos, I'm currently up $1,400 on my way to reaching 100K in profit, and hopefully I'll be able to reach that by the end of the year. If not, it's okay, but we'll see where it goes by the end of 2021. Let's go into the $100 account training, okay? So with a $100 account, or a $1,000 account, or a $10,000 account, they all are 100%, right? Depending. If you want to look at trading, what I'm doing is, in order for you to remove the emotions out of your trading, you need to realize that whatever you have in account is on 100% of your account. So if it's a $100 account, a $1,000 account, or a $10,000 account, you want to make the decisions that if it's a $10,000 account, you'll be trading the same strategy. Except if your goal is just you trying to double it really quick, then I'll make another video on that. But if you're trying to do that, then there's a different strategy to it, okay? But if your main reason is to be able to, for example, in the future, being able to manage a $10,000 account, a $1,000 account, or even a 100K account, you got to realize that every trade, it's still just percentage, okay? So you don't even want to look at it as a $100 account or 1,000 or 10,000. You just want to look at it as in percentage, okay? So if you're risking, for me, I like to risk, if it's $100, I like to deposit $200, so I'm able to risk the total 100% or the total $100. Because if you deposit just 100 and then when your account goes to negative 70 or so, depending on your broker, they're gonna margin call you, which means closing your trade. Okay, so if you want to break, for example, every trade make 10%, that's pretty aggressive. That's what I kind of aim for, 10% or 2 to 3%. You want to deposit at least $200 so that your account won't get margin called when it goes down to even negative 80 or negative $90. Now you got to realize and find out what your winning percentages of your strategy. So for example, if your winning strategy is close to, for example, mine is about 90% or higher. If I just want to double an account, $100 account quickly, I can either just compound my account, which I'll do another video on that soon, or if you want to just do 10 trades, that's going to take 10% per trade. So if you want to double a $100 account, let's just see here. It's going to take 10 trades at 10%, right? In order to double your $100 account. So if your winning percentage is high, for example, you guys seen my previous video on how to successfully doubled and flipped my $100 account. My winning percentage is about 90%, so I was able to flip it in 7 trades through compounding. But even if I did 10 trades at 10%, I would have still been able to do that as well. So I guess it's just the first time that you get a $100 account, it just feels good to be able to flip it to a $200 account. I think it's just mentally wise, it helps you to understand the market a little bit more and see what you can do. But once you get to a bigger account, you want to have a better risk management, because if you just keep aiming for 10 trades for 10%, even if you have a high winning strategy, eventually you will blow that account because you're going to at least have one loss. So you want to find a strategy that fits your needs. So for example, if your winning percentage is 50%, you are going to need to do a 1 to 2, meaning you're risking, for example, $10 to make $20, so that in the end you'll be up. But for me, my winning strategy is about 90%. So if I just want to flip a $100 account quickly, I'd rather just do a compounding and just be able to flip it real quickly, okay? But you got to think about it this way. Later on, when you have a $1,000 account, a $10,000 account, you're going to still want to do that same strategy. If your bankroll is high enough, yes, you can continue just doing this, and once you lose your account, just keep refunding it. But for me, I like to think about it long term. Yes, you can make $100 and flip your account in a week or two, but if you go into the long-term vision, are you going to do that with a $10,000 account, $50,000 account, right? So if you just want to flip it quick, yes, you can still do it and be able to have that accomplishment. But for me, after I flipped my $100 account, I realized that if I have a bigger account and I keep compounding like that, am I gonna win? So my answer was no. Okay, so you gotta realize what's your reason behind flipping your $100 account. If you really want to make money or a lifestyle out of trading, you want to be able to do something that, if it's a $100 account, a $10,000 account, you're still trading the same way. Okay. But if you guys, like I said, you guys just want to flip it really quickly, you guys can just compound it. If you guys have a high winning percentage, then you guys are able to do that. Okay, that's exactly what I did. If you guys haven't seen my videos yet, the thumbnail was flipping my $100 account in 2 weeks. So you guys can check that video out. And I also broke down a little bit of how I traded that account. So thank you guys all for watching. I'll be dropping more videos in the next couple of days. More about $100 trading account. Gonna do a little bit of series and also be updating you guys on my journey from 0 to 100K in profit. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe and comment down below if you guys have any questions.